successfully, and finally we reached the last and final topic of 45 most important topic of NEET physics. So the last and final one is logic gates. So let us finish it and let us discuss few questions based on that. So what is the basic thing required to do the questions based on logic gates? You just have to remember the truth table. So what are all the basic gates we are having and what is the truth table? Like first, OR gate. What is the general representation of OR gate? This is the representation of OR gate. And what is the truth table? So inputs are A, B and output is Y. Input is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now if you take OR gate, except to 0, 0, in all the cases the output is 1. Now similarly if you take AND gate, the general representation is this one, where except 1, 1, every time the output is 0. That means 0, 0, 0, 1. So here previously OR gate means except 0, 0, every time 1. And here except 1, 1, every time output is 0. And one NOT gate. So the NOT gate is, if A is the input, opposite, like the output is like A, Y, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is Y bar, is nothing but A bar, or Y equal to A bar. So here NOT is nothing but it reverses the result. Suppose you take one OR gate, and connect one NOT gate, then it will become NOR. What was the truth table for OR gate? Except to 0, 0, every time 1. Now NOR gate will become reverse. Only for 0, 0 case the output is 1, remaining all the cases the output is 0. So now if you consider the same way, the combination of AND with NOT gate, A, B. So AND means except 1, 1, every time 0. Now only for 1, 1, 0, except everything will get the output 1. So that is how you remember the basic gates and their truth table. Now sometimes they will represent like this with bubble. So this is like NOT gate connected. So OR plus NOT. This is NOR. This is NAND. So don't forget to remember that one. And this logic gates only we will represent in digital language like Y equal to A plus B, OR, and Y equal to A dot B, this is AND gate, and Y equal to A plus B bar, that is NOR, Y equal to A B bar, that is NAND gate. And the expansion of this one can be written like A bar dot B bar, and the expansion of this can be written as A bar plus B bar. So this is how you can represent them in digital language, and based on this only the questions will be asking. There are 3 types of questions will be asking. I have given those 3 types. So just try to understand those 3 types and then try to do them. So the very first one is, there is a combination of gates. Then you have to draw the truth table. So one way you can draw in this way. So A, B, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So if you take 0, 0 first, so here 0 will go directly. Here 0, here 0. So 0, 0, this is NAND gate. AND gate means 0, 0, 0. NAND gate means 0, 0, 1 output. And here we have connected to B, so here 0 will come. So here 1 is coming, here 0. Now for 0, 1 or 1, 0, NAND gate again. These two also NAND gate. For AND gate 0. For NAND gate 1. So this output is also 1, this output is also 1. So 1 1. For AND gate 1 1 is 1. But here NAND gate is there. So 1 1, what is the result? 0. So for 0 0 it is 0. So similar way you can check 0 1. You can check 1 0. You can check 1 1. So that you will get the answer. This is like draw the truth table for the given combination. So that is what they will ask you. Now similarly, if you consider the other one, they have given one combination and they are asking to represent the logic gate. So there is one output A and there is one input A and input B. Now here A, but NOT gate connected means A bar will come here, B bar, NOT gate. So A bar is one input, B bar is one input to what gate? NOR gate. So Y will become A bar plus B bar. OR means plus. But one more NOT is connected, so bar. But just now we have taken what we can write it as A plus B whole bar equal to A bar B bar. But here in place of A bar is there. A bar whole bar dot B bar whole bar, nothing but AB. But AB is nothing but what gate? NAND gate. So this is nothing but what gate? NAND gate. So this is how they can ask you to represent what gate it represents. So same thing also you can do in this method. Like you can take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and you can compare the truth table with one of them, like OR gate or AND gate or NOT gate or NOR gate or anything. So whichever is suitable, then you can choose the option depending upon your understanding, depending upon your comfortability. Try to proceed any one method. Now last and final one, that is they will give some wave pulse and they will give one gate. Then they will ask you the output wave pulse. See here, the wave what they have given is, one is like this, another is like this. This is A, this is B. Now they are giving as input to one NAND gate, this one. That you have to remember which gate it is. Now output, see here 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. First you have to divide like this. Now first 0 0 NAND gate 1 high input. Then second 1 0 1 only, 0 0 1 only, 1 1 0 0 0 again 1. So you have to take one reference level 0 then 1 high, 0 1 0 1. So you have to divide this lower as 0 and higher as 1. Then divide into segments like this. So 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. After that you have to check for 0 0 what is the output for the given gate. Then you can draw the output wave pulse. One of the simplest of all the topics and very damn sure you will get it very easily. So please just try to focus on truth tables and whatever basic gates are there, and then try to understand these type of 3 questions. It is good enough so that you can score well. So hope you all understood very well and you will practice like this, and I will sign off here because we have completed the total 45 topics. So please, the last but not least, one thing I will tell you. So go through each topic, just understand on what basic formulas questions are coming. So it's all about what are the basic formulas, what are the basic things on which the questions will come in the entrance point of view, especially NEET. So how to solve those type of questions, like 2-3 examples we have discussed. Take the same thing, take those examples and try the similar kind of questions, and definitely you will get minimum 80 to 100 marks, minimum I am talking. So this is how you can practice and you can get the help from these lectures. So thank you so much to everyone.